Hello techies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss how to get emails from Gmail using UiPath. For this, first we need to check whether the mail activities are installed in our studio or not. To check this, there are two ways. First way is go to project and check the dependencies. Under the dependencies, we will get uipath.mail.activities. Okay. And the second way is to click on manage packages and check whether the uipath.mail.activities are installed. Fine. If you didn't find this activity, click on all packages and search for uipath.mail.activities and select this. Now you are seeing uninstall because I already installed, but if you are not installed, then it will come as install and click save. Okay, fine. Once this is completed, we need to go to activities and drag one activity called get IMAP mail messages. Fine. Now, if you check the properties, by default the mail folder is inbox. Okay. And we need to get the port number, server name, email ID of our account, email ID of ours, password. We need to provide all these details. First we will look what is the port number of Google and server of the Google. Okay. For that, I am going to google.com, IMAP settings for Gmail. I am searching that. When you search, you will find in the topmost developers.google.com. It is for developers to get all configurations according to the google.com. Okay. Now we need this, so we will click and see here incoming connections to IMAP server. We need this. This is the server and this is port number. Okay, port number we are entering as 993. We can directly enter because it accepts integer value. Okay, fine. And the server, it is imap.gmail.com. So I am copying this same and we have to pass it as a string. So I am placing double quotes and pasting here. Now I am clicking on email and entering my email address. Okay, I entered my email address and I am giving password of my email ID. Okay, and I want to read only unread messages. Fine. And I want to read top 30 records. Okay. Now I need to output to a variable. So I am creating a variable called mails. Okay. Now I will drag a message box. In this, I will get the count of unread mails. How we need to write? Mails dot count dot toString. Okay. So if I run this, we are getting invalid credential failure. even though I have given the correct credentials, still it is giving as invalid credentials. Don't worry, we will solve this in this video. So first we need to go to our account.google.com. If you are logged in, it will directly come to the welcome page. Okay, from here we have to go to security tab. Okay, click on security tab and you will see the sign in into Google tab. In this one we will see two-step verification. So we need to enable two-step verification. Okay, click on this. Now you will see protect your account with two-step verification. Okay, get started and enter your password again. Now you have to enter your phone number, any phone number, because it will text you, or there are two options to verify your account, like OTP and a phone call, through phone call. Okay, text message or through phone call you will receive a message. So I am entering my phone number. Once you have entered, click on next. So I selected text message, so I will get a text message to my phone. Received my text message, so I am entering that. After finishing entering, just click on next and it will ask you that it's work turn on two-step verification. Click on turn on. Now you will see it is verified. Just go back. In this one, see now the two-step verification is on. So now you will see the another option, app passwords. So click on that and enter your password again. Now you don't have, it is showing that you don't have any password. We need to select app and device you want to generate the app password for. Okay, so select app means we are getting the mail, we have to get from the mail. So click on mail and select the device for the Windows computer. If you are trying from Windows computer, then you have to click on Windows computer and generate. So it will create a password for this. So copy this password and paste in the password by replacing your password. Okay, we need to always input the app password to identify. Okay, click OK and run it. Now you see I have 3 count of messages. We will check whether it is true or not. See, I have 3 unread messages. In this way, you have to connect to Gmail using UiPath. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment. If you have any use cases, comment below in comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel.